quite small. Yeah. There's really the end is right there. How many leprechauns you can take on? But here.
Oh my god. It's crazy.
Joshua, you should see this at least. Yeah?
Nice starburst. I'll bring up the shadows later. I can probably get some.
That does look very nice.
Try to run away from it. Okay, I see my shadow and then I see my shadow on the other tree, like 700 meters away from here. No, imagine if the light went through the urine and like sparkled. Made a rainbow. Made a rainbow, or like just had this cool like this flare, like a flare, if you will. Yeah.
That's how it is with Lansing International Photographers. Join us. It's always fun. It's never boring. Is it called, David?
The hands, yeah, a little bit. So let's get prepared. Challenging.
Almost running out of our supplies.
We need the beast now.
Yeah. Ha! Wow, those moves! Filming. Oh, this is gonna be dark. What? The f— oh my god, it's so dark!
Best seat ever.
What?
Okay, what's up, guys?
So Aga, if you fall, at least it's on camera, recorded. Yeah, just let it go. Just go with the flow. Here you go. Yeah! It happened again! Aga, do you see where we'll have to go up? Here you go, we already found where to sleep.
Exactly.
After 2 months of search of the
There is room for everybody.
exit, we could...
Exactly.
Is dinner ready, David?
Yeah.
Yep. It's not easy.
No, Nadir?
Oh yeah, Nadir, if you're listening to us,
Yeah, exactly.
it's for you. We're thinking about you.
Yeah, do it,
We miss you.
There's a cave there.
Where?
Right up there.
Yeah, you can go down. So Joshua just literally slid down this hill to take a picture.
It smells very good. 50%. 54. It's like absinthe. Remember with absinthe? Last time I did absinthe with that guy, I was so smashed. Cheers. Local liquor.
Yeah.
Möchten Sie noch eins?
Ah ja, zweimal.
Zweimal?
I think, yeah.
So Joshua, did you like the trip?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
was your top 3 favorite things which happened today?
Top 3.
Top 3, yes.
Okay. I'll have to go with rainbow.
So what was with the rainbow?
There was some rainbows. We saw some rainbows. I think we went through a rainbow.
Oh, we went through a rainbow. Okay, that's one. Okay.
That's the other thing. We saw some
I
sheep.
did not-
A lot of sheep.
Yeah?
That was interesting. And then we climbed some cliffs.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
nice.
that was nice. I thought those were the top 3 things. Cliff climbing, sheeps, and rainbows.
Sounds like a good day.
Yeah.
Did you like it today?
It was a good day.
It was a good
was
day.
a good day.
Today was a good day, yeah.
It was a good day.
What was your top 3 things you liked today?
Climbing was cool. Actually.
Climbing was
Yeah,
cool.
I
That's a
love
one
climbing.
thing.
Yeah. One more thing was the rainbow that follows.
Oh, rainbow, right.
And what's the name? The Wasserine-Schluck.
Wasserine-Schluck.
Yeah, Wasserine-Schluck. That
Is
was
it,
like
is
a
it those shots you drank?
Yeah, the liquor shot was actually pretty good.
So the finish basically of the trip.
Yeah, in a way we're finished.
Aga,
Yes.
did you like the trip?
Yes, very much. It was
Yeah?
a lovely day.
Yeah, so what was your top 3 things you liked the most?
Rainbow, of course. Oh my
Rainbow.
gosh, I was chasing the rainbow.
Yeah,
That was totally great.
chasing rainbow with your car.
Yes. And then how David found his lenses, that was like a miracle.
Yeah?
A touch of God.
Oh,
Here
right,
is
the
your
islands. He dropped a lens and then he found it. With-
Yes, that
Oh.
was like, totally, I was shocked how much luck some people have. And I like the windy stuff where David climbed.
Oh, right. That was actually dangerous,
Yes.
right? Nice. But I like that as well.
It was really cool.
So, Justina, what did you like today? Did you like it today? Yes, I did. Thanks for asking. It was a great day. And top 3 things you most... What are we doing? I think he's going to pee right now. No cutting here. No cutting. It's a raw material video, this one. So, top 3 things. Yeah, I would say the rainbow was pretty epic. Then I actually really enjoyed going up the hill. This was like, I don't know, nostalgic in some ways, reminding the Czech Republic trip. This was amazing. And I don't know, I think I actually enjoyed the run to the cave which we found. That's the Fuchs, how's it called?
Fuchs etwas.
Fuchs etwas, you know, like the basically we found some cave and yeah, just cave. It was awesome. Yeah, it was just the experience of surprise, you know, when we didn't know what's gonna happen there. That was interesting. Okay. Oh, he nearly fell and I didn't film it.
I would have loved to
What
see
happened, Joshua?
You fell off. Yeah.
That hurt? Oh, I'm sorry. So you guys
been fun, yeah?
in the back will sleep like babies.
After the steps, for sure. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure I'll be asleep. Go to bed early, maybe. Or drink more beer. Yeah, that's what I thought as well.